take this square floor foam, and I'm also going to use this circle. It comes in wood, and I got it from Walmart like for $2. So I'm gonna cut the rope out on the top, and then after that I'm gonna take my hot glue, place some hot glue on the top, and then I'm going to place the circle on top just to attach it into place. Then after you attached it into place, I'm going to, you see how it's a little bit wobbly and it moves? I don't want that, so I'm going to take this jar, but I'm just going to use the top of the jar. I'm going to put some hot glue, and then I'm going to place it inside the floral foam. So just make sure to put it a little bit all the way down so it can hold into place like that. Then after that, I'm going to just flip it around, and it's better and it's more stable, and that's how I would like it. So then after that, I'm going to take these little branches. I'm just going to place them. I put it upside down to place the branches all the way around it. You can also add some hot glue just for better attachment into the floral foam. Then after you do the whole thing around, I'm going to take these cute little flowers. You can use any color flowers that you're doing. I'm just going to do some color ones, so I'm just going to go ahead and place it inside. Some pink, some blue. I'm also going to use some whites and some orange. You decide the color that you want to use. Then I put all the flower. After I put all the flower around it, I took these lights. They have it in Dollar Tree. I'm going to put some hot glue, and then I'm going to attach it to the bottom part of the wood, and then I'm going to take the light and just place it all the way around it like that. So just go ahead and take a little bit of hot glue and then attach it into place like that. Then before I did the whole thing, I put this circle mirror. If you would like to know where I got them, just comment mirror down below and I will send you the link. Then I continue putting the lights all the way around it. And then I got this little cup. They have it in Dollar Tree. It's a clear cup. I'm going to put some hot glue in the middle. So just go ahead and make sure to put enough hot glue in the middle. And then I'm going to take these little branches and I'm going to attach it to the middle of the thing. For this one to hold it into place, after you put that, I took a few beads and I'm going to place it all the way around it just to hold it into place better like that. So once you put it all the way around it, make sure to put more hot glue. And this is for better attachment. Then I put a whole bunch of little beads on inside. Then I'm going to take one of this glass and I'm going to place the little cup. But before I place it inside, just go ahead and grab your hot glue and put a little bit of hot glue at the bottom part, and then just place it inside like that. And then hold it down a little bit just to attach it and fix it, and just hold on to attach it into place. Then go ahead and grab your water and you're going to fill up your cup all the way up just like that. Then go ahead and place your candle on top. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. This could be a cupcake. You could place any type of food that you would like. This is, I'm showing you just like that plain, so you can see that it still looks beautiful, and I think it will look great on your table decorations or birthday party. You could also put a few, I put a few cupcakes. I didn't have enough. You could also, I think it would look better with cupcake wrapper around that. I think it would look super great, but I'm just giving you a different idea that you guys can do. And this is the one with a candle. It's like more like a centerpiece instead of a cake stand or a cupcake stand. You decide which one you like better, the cupcake stand or the centerpieces with a candle like this one. You could also do it in plain. Don't place the flower inside if you want to like more plain look, or you could just put one in the middle. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.